Students, next topic we are going to discuss is reasoning and knowledge representation. Knowledge representation is storing or presenting knowledge to machines so that it may solve the complex problems. As the main aim of artificial intelligence is to make the machines intelligent, and to make the machine intelligent, major factor is knowledge. Knowledge is the facts and figures that is gathered through the experience, and intelligence is ability to use that knowledge at right time to make the better decisions. And reasoning here is processing of knowledge. Reasoning here is processing of knowledge. Reasoning here is processing of knowledge. Knowledge representation is storing knowledge so that the agent or machine may solve the complex problem. So here reasoning means processing the knowledge, and knowledge representation means storing or presenting the knowledge. Storing or presenting the knowledge. Now if we talk that what is reasoning and knowledge representation, we can say that the knowledge representation and reasoning is to present knowledge, to present information to machine, to computer, so that it may solve the complex problems by interpreting the knowledge, by interpreting this knowledge. For example, if a medical diagnosis system is to be developed using the knowledge representation, it will be developed using the human knowledge, like if the patient has high body temperature, and headache then machine will decide, then computer will decide, using this knowledge computer will decide that it is fever. So knowledge is used here to make a medical diagnosis system, to diagnose what is the problem to the patient using some human knowledge. And reasoning is basically the processing of knowledge. It means the machines are presented with the knowledge and machine process this knowledge and make the decisions. Thus the complex systems are developed using the knowledge. So now what is knowledge representation? Knowledge representation and reasoning is part of artificial intelligence, which is concerned with the artificial intelligent agent's thinking and how thinking contributes to intelligent behavior of the agent. Secondly, it is responsible for presenting information about the real world so that computer can understand and utilize this knowledge to solve the complex real world problems such as diagnosis, a medical condition, or communicating with humans in natural languages. It is also a way which describes how we can present knowledge in artificial intelligence. Knowledge representation is not just storing data into some database, but it also enables an intelligent machine to learn from the knowledge and experience so that it can behave intelligently like humans. So the knowledge representation is presenting knowledge to the computer so that it may perform the complex tasks, and this knowledge may be presenting in form of database. And there are different methods to present the knowledge. Different methods to represent the knowledge. There are different methods to represent knowledge. First one is logic. First method is logic. Logic may be prepositional logic, in prepositional logic, the knowledge is presented using the true or false. Knowledge is represented using true false method. True false method. And the second type of the logic is the predicate logic. Predicate logic. With the predicate logic, the knowledge is represented using different type of predicates. The second method to make the knowledge base or to represent the knowledge is the rules. With the rules method, the knowledge is represented using if then else method. Means the knowledge is represented using simple if else rules. The third type to make the knowledge base or to present the knowledge is the semantic net. Semantic net. With the semantic net method, a meaningful network of objects and their relations is made. Objects and their relationships is made. The fourth method to make the knowledge base or to present the knowledge is the frames. Frames consists of slots and fillers. Slots are the objects and fillers are the attributes. Fifth method to represent the knowledge is the scripts. Scripts is the advanced method used to make the knowledge representation. We will discuss some of these methods in detail in next lectures. Now, what to represent as knowledge? Following kind of knowledge can be represented as knowledge. First is an object. All the facts about the object in a real world domain can be presented in the knowledge, can be presented as knowledge. For example, guitar contains the strings. Trumpets are brass instruments. The patient has the high body temperature. The second type of thing that can be presented as knowledge is events. Events are the actions which occur in our world. Third, performance. It describes behavior which involves knowledge about how to do things. Performance is how to do the things. Then is the metadata. Metadata can be presented as knowledge. It is knowledge about what we know. Then facts can be presented as knowledge. Facts are the truths about the real world, what we present. Knowledge base can be there. The central component of knowledge base agent is the knowledge base. The knowledge base is a group of sentences. It is group of sentences. As the patient has the high body temperature, the guitar contains the strings. Next is the knowledge. Knowledge is the awareness or familiarity gained by experience or facts, data and situations. Now we will discuss different types of knowledge in artificial intelligence. Students, we will continue this topic in the next lecture. If you have any questions regarding this topic of knowledge representation and reasoning, please send me your questions. I'll try to answer the questions. Thank you very much.